Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I was kind of poking around on some of the travel and leisure sites lately, and I came across a pretty useful article. It was in Travel and Leisure magazine, and I'm going to put a little link down below because it had some things about, cultural differences and things to think about that are different in Italy versus in America. And one of the things she mentioned was the difference between Buongiorno, Buona Sera, Buona Notte, and Ciao. And she didn't go into all that kind of detail, but she talked about the Buongiorno, Buona Sera thing, which always has me stumped because I never look at my watch during the day. I never know what time it is, but after around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, you're going to switch from Buongiorno to Buona Sera. And Buona Sera is all good up until you get to the point where you're going to leave somebody for the night and go to bed or whatever, and then it's Buonanotte. Buonanotte is kind of like, see ya after we sleep, and it's all good. Now, ciao is a very informal greeting, so it's not something you would use for somebody that you don't know really well. So, sometimes in shops I'm seeing a little bit of ciao, but generally it's buongiorno. Whenever you're going to address somebody as signora or signore, you would never say ciao. You would say buongiorno or buonasera. Now, they are very forgiving when you go buongiorno, buonasera, blah, 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 and stumble. That's fine. You can do that, and it's not a social faux pas. So there you go, guys. Study up, and we'll see you soon.